multiplication of decimal numbers. Okay, in that we are getting exercise 2.6. So in that 2.6 exercise we will get three types of decimals. Three types of multiplication of decimals. How? The first one is multiplication of decimal with whole number. Next, multiplication of decimal with tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay. Next, multiplication of two different decimals. Okay. So one by one we can do now. So first one, 0.2 into 6. What you have to do? First, just ignore the decimal and make the multiplication. So I am ignoring the 0.2. Directly I will take it as 2 into 6. How much we will get? 6 2 is 12 we will get. Okay. Now put the point. After how many numbers we have to put the point? Here only after one number we are getting the point. So it means after one number we have to put the point. So our answer is 1.2. Now coming to second one. How to do? So again ignore the decimal and make the multiplication. 8 6 are 48. Carry 4. 8 4 are 32. 32 plus 4 36. Okay. So after how many numbers we have to put the point? Here one number is there. Means so after one number we have to put the point. So our answer is 36.8. Now here also ignore the point. Then we will get here 0.5. 0.5 means it is nothing but 5. So 5 7s are 35. Okay. After how many numbers we have to put the point? See here 1 2. So here also 1 2. After two numbers put the point. So our answer will be 0.35. Okay. Same thing in here also. 221.02 is there. So we have to multiply with 4. So what you have to do? Multiply with 4 first. 4 2s are 8. 4 into 0 0. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. Okay. So after how many numbers? 1 2. So here also 1 2. So after two numbers put the point. So our answer will be 884.08. This is our answer. So here I skipped a few problems. So do them as your practice. Now coming to the second type. So here we are multiplying with the 10 multiples. Means tens, hundreds, thousands. So that time what we have to do? So here how many zeros are there? 1 zero is there. What you have to do? So after multiplying you have to move this point towards the right side. Towards the right side. Towards right side. So it is only possible in multiplication of decimal with 10 multiples. 10 multiples means tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000 like that. Okay. So how to move the point? Towards the right side. Here 1 0 is there. So this point will move towards the right side after one number. So it becomes 13. Okay. So or else you can go with the general form. Here neglect the point. So it becomes 13. 1 3. So 1 3 into 10. 13 tens are 130. So after how many numbers we have to put the point? After one number we have to put the point. So what we got again? 13.0. 13.0 is nothing but our 13. Understood? So better way, use this logic. So moving the point towards the right side along with how many zeros are there? That much zeros you have to move the places. Now again here also. How many zeros? 1 0 is there. Means one place we have to move. So our answer will be 1337.0. So if you write it 0.0 or else leave it, there is no difference between the numbers values. Again here 1 2 2 zeros are there. What you have to do? We have to move towards the right side. How many places? 2 places. So it will be here only one place is there. For another one place you take the 0. So it becomes 3110. So if you move, it will comes here. Okay. So there is no difference if you will not write that one also. So our answer is 3110. Again here, how many zeros? 2 zeros towards the right side. So our answer will be 4307 if you move towards right. Again here, how many points you have to move? 3 zeros are there. So 3 numbers you have to move towards right side. So here point is there, 0 is there, 3 is there, but still one number we need. So it becomes 030.00. Okay, so if you not write this 0, there is no difference, and if you not write these zeros also, there is no difference. Our answer will be 30. Okay, so like this we have to solve. However, you will get the multiplication of 10 multiples. Okay, so now fifth main, here decimal with decimal. What you have to do? Just first ignore the decimal points. First you multiply, afterwards put the point. So here if I ignore 2.5, it becomes 25, and if I ignore the 0.3, point will be removed. It means 3. 3 into 25 will get here 75. Okay, so now count the points. Here 1 point, here 1 point. Means after 2 numbers we put the point. After 2 numbers we put the point. Our answer is 0.75. Here also, here after 1 number, here after 1 number. First you multiply them. Here 2 is there, here 3168 after ignoring the decimal. So multiply it. 2 8s are 16, carry 1. 2 6s are 12, 12 plus 1, 13, carry 1. 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1, 3. And 2 3s are 6. So our answer is 6336. But where we have to put the point? Here 1 point number, here 1 number. After 2 numbers we put the point. So our answer is 63.36. This is our answer. Again here 0.5, just neglect the 0 and ignore here also point. So it becomes 5, it becomes also 5. 5 5s are 25. Now count the decimal numbers. 1 2 3. Total how many are there? 3 are there. So put it after 3 numbers. 1 2, and the number is not there. So take the 0 and put the point. So this is our answer, 0.025. Now again here also ignore the point and multiply with the 2. 2 7s are 14, carry 1. 2 into 0 0. Again carry 1 is there, plus 1 it will be 1. 2 1s are 2. Okay, so how many numbers? Here 2 numbers are there after decimal, 1 2. Here also 2 numbers are, total 4 numbers are there. So after 4 numbers we will put the point. So 1 2 3, and the number is not there, use the 0. So 0.02114 is our answer. So like this we have to solve the multiplication of decimals. Into exercise 2.6, 2 word problems are there. Now we can solve those. In second question, they given length and breadth of the rectangle and they are asking to find the area of rectangle. Okay, length is how much? 5.7 meter. Breadth is 3 centimeter. So area of rectangle. What is the formula of area of rectangle? That is length into breadth. So how much length is there? That is 5.7 into breadth is 3. Okay. So what you have to do? It is in decimal. It is in whole number. First you multiply it. 3 7s are 21. Carry 2. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 2, 17. So after how many numbers we have to put the point? 1 number, because here 1, after 1 number there is point. So after 1 put the point. So it will be 17.1 meter square is our answer of area of rectangle. Now fourth problem, here a bike, okay, two-wheeler is there. Okay, it is distance covered in 1 liter of petrol. How much? 55.3 kilometer. 55.3 kilometer. Okay. So distance covered in 10 liters. How much? What do you have to do? For 1 kilometer, 55.3 is there. 55.3 kilometer is there into 10. So what do you have to do? Towards right side we have to move the point, because here tens is there. So 1 0 is there. So we have to move the 1 point towards the right side. It becomes 553 kilometers. This is our answer for the fourth question. So coming to the division of decimal numbers. Okay, so here exercise 2.7 totally based on the division of decimal numbers. So here first, here also I categorized three types. One is division of decimal by whole number. Here division of decimal by 10 multiples means tens, hundreds, thousand, and division of decimal by decimal. Okay, or whole by decimal. Okay, so three different types are there. So we will solve now one by one. So first one. So 0.4 by 2. So you can write like this also. 0.4 by 2. Okay, so directly divided. 2 ones are. So 0 is there. Put the 0 point, and 2 how much are 4? 2 2s are 4. So our answer will be 0.2. So another method is there. So just ignore the point and divide it. Afterwards, put the point from counting from right to left side. Okay, so here also 2.48 divided by 4 is there. Okay, just ignore the point and first divide it. 4 ones are 2 is not divisible, so take the next number 24. So 4 6 are 24. Next 4 2s are 8. Okay, after how many numbers point is there? 1 2. So 1 2. After 2 numbers put the point. So it will be 0.62 is our answer. Okay, same thing here also. 14.49 is there divided by 7. Now cancel it. 7 ones are 7 2s are 14. Point is there. You can put the point now also, or else afterwards count it. Okay, so 4 is not divisible. So take the 0. Go for next. It becomes 49. So 7 7s are 49. So our answer will be 2.07. Okay. So next 0.80 divided by 5. Okay, so now ignore the point. First you divide it. 5 ones are 5, remaining 3, so that becomes 30 because 0 is there. It becomes 30. So 5 6 are. So after how many numbers? 1 2. After 2 numbers put the point. So now 1 2. So it will be 0.16. So our answer will be 0.16. So like this you have to divide the decimal numbers by the whole numbers. Understood? Now coming to the division by the 10 multiples means tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, so let's see. In multiplication what we did? We moved towards the right side. Now we have to move towards the left side. We have to move towards left side. How many zeros are there? That much numbers we have to move. So here 1 0 is there. So this 0 will move towards the left. So our answer will be 0.48. So this is our answer. Okay. Next 33.1 is there. Divided by 10 means 1 0 we have to move. So one number. So it will becomes 3.31. Now here 272.23 is there. 1 0 is there divisible by 10. So move the left side with one number. It becomes 27.223. So this is our answer. Next. Now you only tell me 100 divisible by 100 means 2 zeros are there. So we have to move left side. How many numbers? 2 places. So here one place and the one place is not there. So take it as 0. So 0.027 is our answer. So here also 0.78 is there. So move towards left. Here no number means take the zeros for extra. 0078. So here we will get the point. So our answer is 0.0078 is our answer. Now 1000. So there is no place in front of the 7. So take it zeros. So after 7, take 2 more zeros. Means to make the 3 places. 0, 0, 7, 9. So here we have to put the point. So point 0, 0, 7, 9 is our answer. Okay. Again here also 1, 2. Only 2 numbers are there. Again for one number take the 0. So it becomes 0.03853. Okay. No need of right. Here put the point. Next, division of whole number by the decimals. How to do? First, write it in the form 7 by 3.5. Okay, so how to remove this point? Here, after one number, point is there. Means one number means 10. It means we have to multiply numerator and denominator by tens because 10 is there. That's why I am multiplying with 10 by 10. If there is 2 zeros means 100 by 100. So it becomes 70 divided by 35 because point will move towards the right. Okay, so it becomes 35. It becomes 70. So cancel it. 7 5s are 7 10s are 5 1s are 5 2s are. So our answer is 2. So like this. So you have to divide the numerator and the denominator with same number while dividing. Now taking this 3.25 is there. Okay, so divided by 0.5 is there. Okay, how many maximum decimal points are there? 2 maximum decimal points here. 5 and 2. So 2 places means we have to multiply with 100 by 100. So our answer will be 325 divided by, it becomes only one point is there here but 2 zeros are there. So you have to move right how many places? 2 places. So it becomes 50. Okay, now you divide it. 5 1s are 0 0 and 5 6s are 30. Again remaining 2 it becomes 25. 5 5s are 25. So how much we got? 65 by 10. So it is easy to divide it by 10. How you did here? Move towards the left side. So now move towards the left side. You will get here 6.5. Okay. So making it into divisible by tens, hundreds, thousands. It will be easy to move towards the left side in division. Again here also 0.5 divided by 0.25, which is the maximum decimal places here. 1, 2. So it means we have to multiply it by 100 by 100. So here we will get 50 divided by 25. So if you know the 25 table, it will be easy to divide. So 25 1s are 25 2s are. So our answer is 2. Understood? So now again here 76.5 divided by 0.15. So which having the more maximum decimal places? Here 1 2. 2 maximum decimal places are there. What you have to do? Multiply with by 100 by 100. So here we will get 7650 divided by 15. So if you know the 15 table, it is easy to divide. So 15 1s are 15 5s are 75. 1 is remaining, it becomes 15. 15 1s are 15 and 0 is there, keep the 0. So 510 is our answer.